Hey, I'm Tony Rivera. This is Dream Car Driving, and today I'm very lucky to be able to check out this Bullitt thanks to the GM here. Camaro versus Ford is a debate that will go on for years to come. Just looking at this Bullitt though, it just screams, use me, abuse me. Just look at the lines, the sleek stature. In recent years, the Camaro has lost its throne, in my opinion, when it comes to looks, the appeal factor, the aesthetics. I do not like the take or the interpretation that Chevy has taken with the Camaro. The Bullitt just looks sleek, it looks modern, it looks sophisticated. But what do you guys think? I really want to know what you guys think, so just drop a comment. Let's go sit in this Mustang. Just to be in a car of this caliber, man, let me tell you, it's very beautiful, and beauty comes with a hefty price tag. Man. 12-inch LCD, standard. 6-speed manual transmission, standard. Leather interior, standard. So here we have the 2019 Ford Bullitt. It boasts 480 horsepower, 20 more horsepower over the Mustang GT, 420 foot-pounds of torque. This car is pretty sick. 5-liter traditional Coyote engine. It's amped up with some goodies. You're getting the best of both worlds when it comes to the Mustang GT package and the performance package, all included in the Mustang Bullitt. That's pretty sweet. Also, you got these black nitro plated exhaust tips that have its own signature burble that was retuned. Also share the same intake manifold as the Shelby GT350. It also shares the open air intake and the throttle body, all from the GT350. The roofline screams sexy in my opinion. Just looking at the C-pillar, it just attracts you, it allures you in. Now this is muscle Americana right here. Just look at this body angle on the C-pillar, so angular. Whoa guys, now this is nice. And let's come around to the back and just let's admire this beautiful booty right here. Just look at this booty. This is Dream Car Driving, and I hope you enjoy your beautiful day wherever it's at. What? Wait. There's a Raptor. Guys, I don't know about you, but we're coming back. You guys take care, enjoy your Christmas, your holiday, and till next time, guys.